Big concrete driveway we did out here in Oakton, Virginia. Wright's Concrete LLC. The driveway is about 2,200 square feet. And we did the walkway. I'll go over that in a minute. I just want to show the driveway. We sloped everything properly away from the house. Fixed some of the areas that was broken up by the garage. Job turned out absolutely beautiful. We always use a 4,000 PSI concrete with wire and fiber for more support. We always dress up real nicely, like you see here with topsoil. The grade was a little tricky. We graded everything very nicely away from the house. A repair, like I said, up by the garage we did for them. The customer's mother had passed away, and I'd been here several times giving her prices, and finally the daughter decided to do it. But anyway, the walks are pretty long. Here's one here, it's 45 feet. No, excuse me, this one's 53 feet. You can see the topsoil as well. We dressed up nice here. And this one's about 46 feet. We did coming off the house. So the job turned out nice. Wright's Concrete. If you need some work done, give us a call, 703-615-2159. We've been serving Northern Virginia more than 25 years. We got it going on.